Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And next question of exercise 6.1. First of G. Okay. Fx is equal to x square upon a minus a such that x less than a. 0 such that x is equal to a minus a cube upon x square such that x greater than a at point x is equal to a. Okay. Then test the continuity of fx at x is equal to a. fx is equal to x square upon a minus a x less than a. When x less than a, then value of fx is equal to x square upon a minus a. Again x is equal to a, then value of fx is equal to 0, and x greater than a, then value of fx is equal to a minus a cube upon x square. Okay, at x is equal to a. Solution 3 point. Definition of function at x is equal to a. Second point, right hand limit at x is equal to a. Third point, left hand limit at x is equal to a. Okay, first part. By definition, of function at x is equal to a. F a is equal to x is equal to a. When x is equal to a, then value of fx is equal to 0. It means 0. Equation first. Okay. Second, right hand limit at x is equal to a. RHL is equal to limit h tends to 0 f over a plus h equal limit h tends to 0 f over x is equal to a, it means a equal to a, same, a plus h. Okay, f over x, f over a plus h, it means x is equal to a plus h, x is equal to a plus h, x equal to a plus h, it means the value of x is greater than a. The value of x is greater than a. A plus h, it means the value of x is greater than a. It means x greater than a plus h. X greater than a. When x greater than a, then the value of fx is equal to a minus a cube by x cube. Okay, it means putting the value of x in the function fx, putting the value of x in the function of fx is equal to a minus a cube by x cube, x square, sorry, limit h tends to 0, x is equal to a plus h, a minus a cube upon में a plus h whole square. Okay. Putting the value of h is equal to 0 implies limit a minus a cube upon में a plus 0 की whole square. Okay, is equal to a minus a cube upon a plus 0 a square. A square a cube cancel out. It means RHL is equal to a minus a is equal to 0. RHL is equal to 0. Equation 2. Okay. RHL is equal to 0. Again, left hand limit at x is equal to a. LHL is equal to limit h tends to 0 f over a minus h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f over a minus h a x is equal to a. It means a equal to a. Same to same f over a minus h. According to function f over x, it means x is equal to a minus h. X equal to a minus h. A minus h, it means the value of x less than a. Less than a. The value of x less than a. It means x less than a. When x less than a, then the value of fx is equal to x square upon a minus a. And putting the value of x in the function or fx is equal to limit h tends to 0 x square upon a minus a. X square, it means x is equal to a minus h whole square upon में a minus a. Putting the value of h is equal to 0, a minus 0 whole square by a minus a is equal to a minus 0, it means a square by a minus a implies a cancel out. LHL is equal to a minus a implies LHL is equal to 0. Equation 3rd. Okay. From equation first, second and third, FA, RHL, LHL is equal to 0. So, fx is continuous at x is equal to a. Okay. Question number G complete. Next question. Question number 2. Test the continuity of fx is equal to, test the continuity of fx equal x minus highest greater than x at x is equal to 3. Function fx is equal to x minus maximum integer over x at x is equal to 3. First, by definition of function, f3 is equal to 3 minus maximum integer of 3 is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Equation first. Because maximum integer 3 is equal to 3, maximum integer 4 is equal to 4, maximum integer 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Next, right hand limit at x equal to 3. RHL is equal to limit h tends to 0 f over a plus h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f over a. X is equal to a, it means a is equal to 3 plus h. F over x, according to question, f over x, f over 3 plus h, it means x is equal to 3 plus h. Putting the value of x in the function fx, limit h tends to 0, 3 plus h minus 3 plus h. Okay, putting the value of h is equal to 0, 3 plus 0 minus 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 plus 0, 3 minus 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 equal 0. RHL is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Because 3 plus 0.25 is equal to 3.25 is equal to 3. 4 plus 1.4 plus 0.35 is equal to 4.35. Maximum integer 4.35 is equal to 4. Maximum integer 3.25 is equal to 3. Anyone 5 point something is equal to 5. 6 point something is equal to 6. 7 point something is equal to 7. Okay. Similarly, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 point something. 3 plus h, 3 point something is equal to 3. 4 plus h, 4 point something is equal to 4. 5 plus h, 5 point something is equal to 5. Okay. Next, left hand limit at x is equal to 3. LHL is equal to limit h tends to 0 f over a minus h equal limit h tends to 0 f over a is equal to 3 minus h. According to function fx, it means fx, x is equal to 3 minus h. Putting the value of function fx, limit h tends to 0, 3 minus h minus 3 minus h. Okay, 3 minus h, it means 2 point something is equal to 2, because 2 3 minus 0.25 is equal to 2.75 is equal to 2. 4 minus 0.35 is equal to 3.65 is equal to 3. Similarly, 3 minus something is equal to 2 point something, 4 minus something 3 point something, but maximum integer 2 point something is equal to 2, 3 point something is equal to 3, 4 point something is equal to 4. Okay, putting the value of h is equal to 0, 3 minus 0 minus 3 minus 0 is equal to 3 minus 0, 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2, 1. LHL is equal to 1. Equation third. From equation first, second and third. F3 equal RHL not equal LHL. Okay, F3 equal RHL not equal LHL. So Fx is not continuous. At x is equal to 30. Next question. Question number 3. If function f(x) x cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20 by x minus 2 of whole square such that x not equal to k such that x is equal to 2 is continuous at x is equal to 2 is continuous at x is equal to 2. If function f(x) is equal to something is continuous at x is equal to 2, then find k. Then find the value of k. Okay. Function f(x) is continuous at x is equal to 2. So f2 is equal to RHL is equal to LHL. Okay. Solution. By definition, of function f2 is equal to k. When x is equal to 2, then value of function fx is equal to k. X greater than 2 and x less than 2, then value of fx is equal to something. Okay, f2 is equal to k. Equation first. Right and limit at x is equal to 2. RHL is equal to limit h tends to 0 f over a plus h equal limit h tends to 0 f over 2 plus h is equal to f over x f over 2 plus h. It means x is equal to 2 plus h. 2 plus h, it means x greater than 2. X greater than 2. When x greater than 2, then value of fx is equal to x cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20 upon x minus 2 of a whole square. Okay, putting the value of x is equal to 2 plus x in the function over fx, limit h tends to 0, x is equal to 2 plus h, 2 plus h cube plus 2 plus h whole square minus 16 into 2 plus h plus 20 by 2 plus h minus 2 whole square. 2 cancel out. Okay, limit h tends to 0. Apply the formula a plus b cube and a plus b whole square. A plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It means 2 cube at plus h cube plus 12h plus 6h square plus a plus b whole square. 4 plus h square plus 4h minus 32 minus 16h plus 20 upon में h square. Okay, is equal to limit h tends to 0, h cube, 12h, 4h, 16h, minus 16h cancel out. Okay, 8 plus 4, 12h, plus 20, 32 cancel out. Okay, 6h square, 7h square by h square is equal to limit h tends to 0, common from h square, h plus 7 by h square cancel out, h is equal to 0, it means RHL is equal to 7. Okay, equation 2. Similarly, LHL is equal to 7. Okay, equation 3rd. So, according to question, hence fx is continuous at x is equal to 2 implies f2 is equal to RHL is equal to LHL implies f2 is equal to k, RHL is equal to 7, LHL is equal to 7 implies k is equal to 7. Okay, k is equal to 7. Question number 3 complete and exercise 6.1 complete. We will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.